Welcome to an updated quick guide on turning on reminder notifications for Instagram. If you want to stay in the loop with your favorite posts, stories, or live updates, this simple path will keep you in the know without missing a beat. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where all the core controls live, from app behavior to privacy preferences. Once you're in settings, look for the apps section. It might be labeled as apps and notifications on some devices, but the idea is the same. You're managing individual apps here. Next, locate Instagram in your list of installed apps and tap it. You'll land on a dedicated page with options that govern how the app interacts with your device. Tap on notifications to reveal all the available categories and toggles that control what Instagram can alert you about. Now you'll see a list of notification categories. These are the organized groups Instagram can send you, such as messages, comments, mentions, or reminders. Scroll through until you find reminders. If your device groups reminders under a broader category, just look for anything that sounds related to alerts or scheduled updates. Tap on the reminders category to open its settings. Here you'll find a toggle that enables reminders for Instagram. Switch this on. When the toggle is active, your device will allow Instagram to push reminder style notifications, ensuring you won't miss important activity like new posts scheduled to remind you or timely updates from accounts you follow. After enabling reminders, you might see a few accompanying choices like notification sound, vibration, or how banners appear. Adjust these to fit your preference. For example, you can choose a subtle banner for less disruption or a loud alert when something requires your immediate attention. If for some reason reminders isn't appearing, double check that you selected the correct account or that Instagram has the permissions it needs in your device's broader notification settings. Sometimes a quick restart of the app or device can clear a hiccup and reveal the option again. With reminders turned on, you'll receive timely prompts from Instagram that help you stay engaged without having to constantly check the app. It's a small setup with a big payoff, less FOMO and more control over your routine.